Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I've got a bit of a sinkhole to deal with, and instead of spending hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars to do it right, I'm going to try to use an old bottle of caps and cracks and some Sika Fence Post mix, and we'll see how it works. So let's go take a look at it. It's pretty large and gnarly, but let's see if we can get it fixed with just like 20 bucks worth of stuff. It's honestly worked really well. It's filled in almost, it's touching the top. I was thinking I would need 2 bags, but this looks really good. I might just get another one just to fill in this front, get some gravel or something and fill this in. We'll see if it works, see if it holds up. All right, so here we are about 3 to 4 months later, and with non-stop torrential downpours basically for that entire time. The rain actually won the battle here, and so we've got just a giant crevasse now. And so we're going to fill it with some D1 dirt and get an actual real patch going here. So here's me getting to work on that. Here I decided to use an extra cinder block I had laying around to give the lip of this concrete pad some extra support. So I dug down a little bit and placed it in there, and I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but that's what I had and I thought it would work. Alright, we're back here at the sinkhole project, and I went and picked up some of this Aquaphalt, and it's basically a permanent asphalt solution. So you dump it into the hole, add water, and it should be rock solid right away. So let's go try this out, see how it works. Alright, this stuff hasn't set up as quickly as I thought it would. It's still really, really soft. I added more water than it asked for, but we're getting a huge rainstorm tonight, so I won't worry too much yet. I'll come back here in about a day or two and just check on it and make sure it's hardened up. Alright, I'm back here a couple days later, and this is pretty rock solid. So looks pretty good as a temporary fix, but a couple things I would have done differently. I probably should have used a little bit more fill and overfilled it with the asphalt, because it's settled down a little bit. Now I have quite a bit of a lip around the edge here, as you can see. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how this project went. I was quoted around over $1,000 to do this by a professional. I think I'm all in with like $300 worth of supplies. So, all right, well, see you guys at the next project.